Hey, amazing viewers! Welcome back to our channel. I am Guru, and today, we're unlocking a powerful technique in the world of AI interaction, system messages. Get ready to learn how a simple message can shape ChatGPT's behavior and take your conversations to the next level. Let's dive right into it. System message is like giving ChatGPT a friendly nudge in the right direction. By including a brief message at the start of your conversation, you're setting the tone and gently guiding the model's behavior throughout. Think of it as the director's chair in a movie. You're telling ChatGPT, "Hey, buddy, here's your role in this interaction." And trust me, it's super cool. But what's a lesson without some hands-on practice? Here are 3 prompts you can try right away. They're also in the video description for your convenience. Prompt 1. First input to the system, ChatGPT, to act like someone. Like, you're a knowledgeable history buff. Explain the significance of the Renaissance. Then as a user ask your questions, like, can you tell me about the Renaissance, and see the output. Prompt 2. First input to the system, ChatGPT, you're a sci-fi enthusiast. Imagine describing time travel to a curious friend. Ask as a user, what's the concept behind time travel? Prompt 3. Input to the system, ChatGPT, you're a health and fitness guru. Provide tips for a balanced diet. Ask as a user, I need some advice on maintaining a healthy diet. I couldn't resist giving these prompts a spin myself. And let me tell you, the results were fascinating. With the system messages, ChatGPT's responses were tailored, insightful, and exactly what I was looking for. Ready to experiment? You'll find these example prompts in the video description below. Give them a shot and see the magic unfold in your AI conversations. So, there you have it, fellow learners. System messages are your secret tool to make ChatGPT dance to your tune. Set the context, guide the chat, and watch the AI magic unfold. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and watch as your conversations take on a whole new dimension. This is Guru, signing off till our next AI adventure.